you today? Let me see. I guess it's just toothpaste today. I'll just eat it right now. That tastes gross. I almost died. I'm never gonna eat that again. Oh my gosh. Oh, now that thing just made me have to poop. Now to drink. The poop tasted good and the cat. What a good day.